Hello and welcome to this new module where we will explore how to estimate the usable rooftop area for solar photovoltaic installation using LiDAR data and open source tools like QGIS and Python. In many urban energy planning scenarios, identifying how much roof area is available and in which orientation is a key step to estimate solar photovoltaic potential, retrofit strategies, or even storm water management. To perform this task, we rely on elevation data, specifically a digital surface model derived from airborne LiDAR scans. These allow us to compute both the slope and the azimuth, or orientation, of roof surfaces. But elevation alone is not enough. We also need building footprints, usually extracted from OpenStreetMap, to isolate roof areas from the ground and vegetation. In this module, we will walk through a full workflow, from data acquisition and preparation to slope and azimuth calculation, roughness filtering, and automatic processing. The first part will show how to download a digital surface model raster from the official Italian Geoportal and how to clip it using building geometries from OpenStreetMap. Then we will calculate the roof slope and azimuth using QGIS raster terrain tools and the GDIHAL library. We will also compute summary statistics from each orientation class, north, east, south, and west. In the third step, we will introduce the concept of rooftop roughness. This helps exclude small obstacles like chimneys or antennas by applying filters based on surface variation. In the first part, we will learn how to automate the entire workflow using QGIS graphical modeler, allowing us to process any city with just a few inputs. Finally, we will look at how to implement the same logic in Python using open libraries such as Rasterio, GeoPandas, and SciPy. Whether you are a GIS analyst or an energy planner, mastering this method will allow you to perform scalable and reproducible rooftop assessment for PV or retrofit application. Let's get started. In this step, we are going to prepare the 2K datasets needed for our rooftop analysis. A digital surface model derived from LiDAR and building footprints from OpenStreetMap. Let's begin with the elevation data. High-resolution DSMs are publicly available in Italy through the official national portal managed by the Ministry for the Environment. On the portal, we activate the layer called DSM 1 meter and zoom into our city of interest. Once the area is selected, we can download the surface model as a raster in TIFF format. These DSMs usually come in geographical coordinates, meaning that positions are expressed in degrees of latitude and longitude. But since we will be working with distances, slopes, and areas, it is important to reproject them into a system that uses meters. This can be done directly in QGIS using the Reproject Raster tool, selecting a meter coordinate system appropriate for your region. Now let's move on to buildings. For that, we will rely on OpenStreetMap, which offers open and fairly detailed building data. You can extract these footprints either using Overpass Turbo or by writing a simple Python script with the OSMNX library. Once downloaded, make sure to keep only polygon features. These represent actual building outlines. You can filter out point or line geometries if they exist. At this point, we bring both datasets into QGIS, the elevation data and the building polygons. Make sure they are using the same coordinate system, so they align correctly. To isolate the rooftops, we now clip the DSM using the building layer as a mask. This operation will keep only the parts of the elevation raster that fall within building footprints. The result is a clean elevation model that covers rooftops only. This clipped DSM will be the basis for calculating slope, azimuth and roughness in the next steps. You can now save this layer in the working directory, and your project is ready to move on. In the next video, we will use this data to extract the main geometrical properties of rooftops, starting with slope and orientation.